The biggest feedback in the last couple of years has been that you had to buy a separate MagLock, like a circle, like a magnet to put on the back of this in order to attach it. Well, guess what? It is now included. It's built into the Latercase. I've opened this and looked at it, but I have not put it on the phone yet. So this will be a first time genuine reaction. First of all, can I just say I really appreciate simple, elegant packaging. Impossibly thin, featherweight, superior texture, space-age materials, stronger than steel, ultra precise, simple install. Again, this is Aramid fiber, designed in Toronto, made with Kevlar Aramid fiber. And there's a whole story and information on the bottom here. All right, so go ahead and take a look at that when you get a second. And there it is. Put it there. This is your classic. All right, so cutouts for your cameras. Look how thin this is. Here's a really good idea. Look how thin that is. Look how thin that is. It's crazy. All right, it's got some good structure to it there. Okay. You have raised corners, so it'll be raised up. And then look, people, built-in MagSafe / Pixelsnap. We got some simple branding down here. There's no branding on the back here at all. Let's pop the phone in. Doesn't really matter if you go buttons first or not, because hey, guess what? You get to use your original buttons with this. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So you get access to your original buttons. The top is open. Like I said before, if you guys can see this here, look where my finger is. The corners are raised. So if you put it on a flat surface, it will be raised up. So you get access to the complete bottom there. Nothing is covered. I like this. Oh. Total protection there, surface protection on your camera. That looks really good. Let's launch the camera. Make sure nothing is being obscured with the camera. Yeah, we're good. All right, here it is, people. Magnet test. Yes! There's your Aramid fiber choice for this year for the Pixel 11 Pro, the Latercase. Am I ever happy about this? Like they didn't have to add any more thickness to it. It's just still just as light, and I got access to my real buttons. Boom. Okay. And that's not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. Yeah, baby. I'm happy about this. All right, so different colors. So this right here is your classic coffee color, crimson, midnight, which is more like a matte black. It's really nice. And then we have Willy blue. I like the blue one. Okay, so those are all the colors available. So down in the description, you will find an affiliate link. I really appreciate if you guys use that. That'll take you to Latercase's website. You can pick through the colors, everything, okay? That's a beauty right there. I like it. I love it.